Describe the numbered chord and give a technical name of the highest note of each one in relation to the key of G minor. That means what you are seeing here is not B flat major, but rather it's the relative minor of B flat, which is the G minor. So the first chord you're asked to identify is chord combination of D. We have D, we have F sharp, and we have A. So this is a D major chord, and in the key of G minor, what degree is D? Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5. So D is the 5th degree in the key of G minor. D is the 5th degree. So that means we have the 5th degree is a major chord. So what we have here is chord 5, chord 5. And the note here, the highest note, what's the highest note? This is the highest note. The highest note is A. The highest note is A. And what is A in the key of G minor? A in the key of G minor is supertonic. This is the highest note, A. Okay, so we've answered to number 1. Now number 2, chord combination. We have the G, we have D, we have B flat. So this is a G minor chord already. This is a G minor chord, which is G, B flat, and D. So this one is chord 1. So where is number 2? Number 2 here is chord 1. See how I'm writing chord 1 is a minor chord, so you don't write it as a major. So, and what is the highest sounding note? The highest sounding note is B flat. And what is B flat for G minor? B flat for G minor is mediant. B flat for G minor, this is the note. So let me write. B flat for G minor is mediant. So that means we've answered that. Now we go to number 3. What is needed here? It consists of C, we have C, and we have G, and we have E flat. So this is a C minor chord. So this is a C minor chord. Okay, so C minor chord, C, what's the degree of C in this key? So C is the 4th degree. So C is the 4th degree. So that means this chord now is chord 4. And what is the highest sounding note? E flat. What is E flat for this? Okay, so E flat is degree 6. So what is degree 6? Degree 6 is submediant. Okay, so we've answered that one. Number 4. This is number 4. Number 4 consists of the same D. We have F sharp. We have A. Okay, so it's chord 5. So that means here we have, that means number 4 is chord 5, is dominant. What's the highest sounding voice? The highest sounding is D. Is D. Can you see is D? So what is this D now? The note is still dominant because D is the 5th degree, so it's still a dominant. Can you see that? So we've answered the whole question now. Now let's refresh ourselves again. Describe the number chord and give a technical name of the highest sounding note of each one in relation to the key of G minor. The highest sounding note you're going to give should be in relation to G minor, like given, not in relation to the chord you've to the roots of the chord. Okay, so the first one here we have is chord that consists of D, F sharp and A, which you can see D, F sharp and A is D major. So what is D? D is the dominant of G minor. So if D is the dominant of G minor, so that means it's chord 5. And what's the highest sounding voice? A. So what is A in the key of G minor? A is degree 2, so which make it a supertonic. Hope you understand. So number 2 is chord 1, G minor chord. And what is the highest sounding voice? B flat. What is the B flat? What is B flat in the key of G minor? Median. That's degree 3. Technical name, median. All right, then we go to the third one, which consists of C, G, E flat. Okay, C, G is flat is C minor chord. And what is C? C is the 4th degree in G minor, which represents subdominant. So it's chord 4 in G minor. So what is the highest sounding note? E flat. And what is the degree of E flat in the key of G minor? Is 6th degree, which is submediant. Submediant. We have the tonic, supertonic, the medians, subdominant, dominant, and the submediant. Okay. Okay. So we've answered this, and then the fourth one we have is D, F sharp, and A. And D, F sharp, and A already we had here is chord 5. Okay. D, F sharp, and A is chord 5. And what is the highest sounding voice here is D, which is still 5th degree, which represents the dominant. So number 4 here, this is still number 4. So the answer, dominant. So we've answered the question now. This question was sent to me by one of my followers, so I can't just make it private, so I decided to make it public so that everybody can learn at once. Thank you.